Hey everyone, this tutorial video is to show you how to personalize your message to your buyer on their personal content hub. Now there's two ways that you can do this, and I'm using this example here with my friend Dave. Down below, you have three sections here. My notes. This is just for you. This is a piece that some of our customers, their companies don't have a CRM system. So this is a place where you can add notes for yourself. You can put things in here like when you send it to them, how you met them, the date you sent it to them, anything like that. This is really totally for you to use any way that you want. Now down below, you have two sections for messages. These messages will be added to the top of the Personal Content Hub so that when they click and they go there, the first thing they see is your personal message to them, along with their name and the logo of their business. So on the left side here, you have the written spot. Add your written message for them. Then on the right side, you have your embedded video. Now, this is an embed code you can see here. So you can take a video from YouTube, you could use Vidyard, you could use Loom. I have this prepared for you. I use both Loom and Vidyard, but this is a way that you'll grab the embed code here. When you go to click share inside of Loom, you have the option right here for embed. If you click on that, it's already copied the embed code to your clipboard. Simply come back to FunnelAmplified, come in here and paste the embed code, and it'll put that video directly on to the Personal Content Hub that you shared with that individual. Be sure when you're done, make sure you click save. That'll make sure that it's got your message, it's got your video, and now you are all set to come in here and click on shared link. It'll copy that to your clipboard, and now you can go and message them in LinkedIn. You can message them in Facebook. You can send them a text. You can embed it into an email, whatever you like. But this is one of the reasons why we add the links up here. If you add those, when you add the buyer, I can simply click on LinkedIn, go straight to my buyer's page, and click on message and send them a message. It's really that simple. So this tutorial shows you how to create the custom messages and also how to share the Personal Content Hub with your specific buyers.